Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we are trying to make personalized tea towels. These are what I used, so let's get started. First, I went to creativefabrica.com to get my design. Searched up But First Tea. I like that code and I downloaded it. So I extracted the files from the zip folder and I uploaded to Cricut Design Space the SVG format. I wanted to ensure that my design was as big as possible, so the width of the design I used 11 inches because my biggest mat is 12 by 12. Here I ungrouped the layers so that I can change the color of different parts of my design. I am not sure as to why the words didn't stay together. If you know, let me know in the comments down below. Here I'm being sure to mirror the design because, as I've learned, it is the most important part of this cutting process, and then I sent to my machine to cut. So after reading the design, and because the words didn't stay together, I had to cut the design in pieces. The only word that stayed together was first, so everything else I had to cut individually and reassemble on the towel, which you will see soon. Just cutting everything here, and now I am actually trying to make it look like the original design, which wasn't too hard. Here where I circled, I didn't cut the protective layer around the letter E slim enough, and you will see what that caused to happen soon. Just making sure everything is lined up properly and it's in a straight line. So this is what I expect my design to look like at the end. Here I am just trying to keep as much as possible of the design together so that when I iron it on, it will all look like the original SVG. My settings on my iron was on cotton. I didn't stay on any particular part of the design. I moved the iron back and forth for about 15 to 20 seconds, waited for it to cool, and then I peeled off the protective coating. At this point here, while peeling away from the bee, it looked as though the bee got a little too much heat. However, when I passed my finger over it, it didn't look quite as bad again. Did the same process with the word first, and here you will see that I was trying to peel the coating off of the letter E, and it wasn't quite coming off because it got fused in between the vinyl itself. So my options were to peel away at the T, which would make the design look the plastic away as possible. Then I continued on. Parchment paper was used throughout the entire design. I used it to ensure that other parts of the design, the iron didn't touch it, and then it didn't receive too much heat, which will cause the design to mess up. So I tried my best to not put the iron on different parts of the design, just saying centralized to what I needed to iron on. And that's it. Overall, I loved this towel. I loved how it turned out. Let me know what you think. If you try any iron-on towels, be sure to tag me with my social media links down below. Just doing a little close-up. See, the plastic on the tee wasn't that bad. So let me know what you think, and thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.